What do you want?
You want to see my video camera? Angel, look.
No, I'm not home.
I don't think Angel could hear me.
I'm enjoying it.
I'm at the different field.
I thought that was Ian.
Show Jane. You want to see my camera?
Don't know it.
Shut up.
Oh shit. Jamie, look, we have a football.
It's Mill.
Oh. Hey.
Okay.
This is my video camera.
Yeah, Dylan's vlogging now.
I'm. Emiliano knows Asian satire.
Alright, I'll see you at 6 then.
Okay.
This camera has crazy zoom.
Let me see the camera for a minute.
No, hold on.
I'm not fucking professional at this shit.
I am too. You want to see? You want to
I
see?
zoom into like girl's ass.
Okay.
What?
See you. Look. I'm filming that one guy.
That's pretty good.
I know.
Not fun. This is rusty stuff right there. We could get 10.
You saw me jump down 5 times already.
Yeah.
Yeah, not that hard. That is true.
It's like a vlog.
I just wanted to show them my video camera.
I want to make a challenge like how we can like from the side of the football we cannot drop.
What?
Like let me show me some football. Yes, but for like 10 seconds.
Okay.
If I drop it, do I have to go get it?
Yeah.
No.
Sure.
I'm not gonna done that top, are you?
What? What if?
Dude, it's fine, David. It's gonna hold.
Hopefully.
Angel, you want to see my camera?
Yeah, they're so
It's
tight.
like 100 now.
Doesn't mean the center of the shit's running.
Yeah.
Okay.
We usually like see if Jamie like comes out from that side.
Oh, do the ultra zoom?
Ultra zoom.
Yeah.
Like ultra zoom, like you just zoom in and all of a sudden you find Jamie on the camera.
Oh, I found Jamie.
Is that him?
No.
Bro, are you serious? My boss told me not to work on my birthday. Fuck off!
Damn.
Why?
Does she know it's your birthday?
Yes, I already told her.
What'd you say?
I said, hey, my birthday's on Tuesday.
What are you doing?
You're like, really? Oh, okay, good to know.
Exposing you.
What a fucking bitch, bro.
She for real said fuck you. Was it a girl or a guy?
What?
Dylan, stop.
There's a bitch over there. Why are you going over there?
I don't know.
Is this too big for home?
Oh, the song?
I'm gonna, this is exciting. Alexis asked.
Don't sit down. Get better. Not on this. Okay.
Big
Let me borrow the camera. I'm not even gonna do anything. I'm just gonna do this.
Diego, you want to film me doing exercise?
Sure.
Okay.
Do it.
You won't.
That.
Watch, I'll do. You have to stand up though.
I'm fine with this.
But you can't see down there.
Fuck. Ah.
How many
What
should
did I
I
just
do?
sit on?
Up and down.
No, no,
Why not?
no.
Wait, well, hold on. What do you mean up and down?
Like climb up and
Oh, I
down.
thought you meant like jumping.
No, I'm not gonna die.
You can do that if you want.
Come on.
Andrew, I need a fart.
Speed run. That was one arm.
Come on. Do as many as you want. Do 10. Oh shit. Oh, if I feel I'm gonna fall on those rocks.
Bro, how can you relax?
This is my exercise for today.
This is cardio?
Yep.
Yeah. Is it Jamie? Oh.
Hello?
Why? Bro. Wait, Luis, talk? No, talk.
What?
Diego, film this.
What are you doing?
Bro.
And Luis.
Are you really, Dylan? Dylan, you're being dangerous. Come on.
Should I not do it?
Are you gonna do it?
What the fuck? What is he? What the? Bro, how the fuck are you getting up here?
There's a lot of stuff like right there.
Oh, okay. Hey, Dylan, give us one of those chairs. No, don't. No, I was kidding. I'm joking. Don't. Don't. We don't need chairs.
Shit.
Holy
Bro. That kind of. What the hell? What the fuck? That's weird. That's nice.
Okay, I'm gonna knock that stack down. And let's see, I'm gonna say 3 tries or less. Let's go for the first try. A little high. A little high.
You've lost some pretty.
What the heck? You know, that was even more impressive. Should I punch it now?
Nah, just knock it down with a rock.
What?
Just knock it down with a rock or something.
What the? What was that? Coming down. It's coming down.
You can punch it now.
What?
You can punch it.
I'm gonna do something cool. This is Sparta.